Yo, for those cheetahs and the zebras, yo. This shit is a fucking zoo, yo. We out here. This shit is crazy. Top 5.
Squad up, YouTube. You already know. Out here camping out with my son, EJ on deck. We out here. The daughter in the whip. Came out here at midnight for the dunk cheetahs and the zebras. And everybody's starting to come out. The weather's getting right. Everybody's starting to come out, starting to camp out. Y'all better get back on y'all grind, y'all. It's getting ugly out here. Squad up. It is not a game. Look at the time. Niggas is out here camping in the fucking rain. We out here. We out here, right, cuzzo? We sleep, man. We out here grinding, camping. Look. Yeah? This shit is not a game. We out here, camp style, old school. Niggas is out here, nigga. Since yesterday, fuck camping. Niggas is out here breaking night. We out here, B. Shit is light work. Nigga, not even the birds is out here, nigga. We out here. New York City wave, nigga. Yo, let them know where to get those shorts and all that.
African menus, they right here. We sleeping on them.
Let them know your Instagram.
More Money Benji, man.
Holla at my guy.
At More Money Benji.
You heard?
B-N-J-E.
Take care. You know I'm rocking them Georgetowns. Threes. We out here. Shit is crazy, yo. Shit is a fucking movie, yo. It's only fucking 4 in the morning. About to be 5 in the morning. This shit's already stretching out. It's crazy. The dunks got niggas out here like this, baby. Animal pack. Niggas is out here like a bunch of wolves, baby. Gang, the gang squad out here. Squad. For the Dunk Low Animal Pack. For the Dunk Low Animal Pack, y'all. Look how we get right to the front.
Yo, for those cheetahs and the zebras, yo. This shit is a fucking zoo, yo. We out here. This shit is crazy. Top 5. They out here. It's a fucking movie, yo. You already know your boy Top 5. We in there. After we got ours, they shut it down. Yeah, relax. Come on, let's go.
YouTube, squad up, my brothers and sisters. You already know what it is. Welcome to another review. You already know your boy E-Money Kicks. If you're new to the channel, please do me a favor. Subscribe, join the family, share. You already know. Love is love. Always, not sometimes. Here, you already know what it is. You can also find me on Instagram at E-Money Kicks. You already know what it is. Love is love. So yes, sir. Without further ado, what we all here for? That fire. Here we go. Was able to hit on, not hit, was able to go get multiple pairs. You already know, camp out style New York City. As y'all seen in the footage, there was a zoo out here literally for these dunk low cheetahs. 13 for the toe right here, 7 right here, 9 over there, 13 over here. You already know the vibes, man. Today was a good day. It was madness. It was craziness. All for these things right here. And these things are a problem, are limited, are scarce. Huh. And they sexy as hell. Bang! OMG! Look at these things, y'all. The cheetahs, aka the giraffes, whatever you want to call them, they fire. They are fire. Here we go, y'all. Oh my God. What do you guys think? These things are sexy. That 360 rotation. That creamy, sexy color. That creaminess, y'all. Look at that with that brown. You know, this got that Travis Scott vibe all over it right here. These things are ridiculous. Clean as hell. It was wild out there. Look at the bottom. Sexy brown. Sexy brown. It is not black, it's a brown. Fire, creamy white. Soles. Dope butter coffee brown. Nike swish right here. Nike check. Leather material is official. They stepping it up on the dunks, y'all. Suede all over. Backstroke action everywhere. Magnificent quality. They got the official dope little beige khaki, like, you know what I'm saying? Shoelaces, fire. Tongue with the brown, Nike brown swish. Nice creamy beige tongue right here. Tongue is like a nice creamy beige color, same as the leather on the side. All this panels right here is leather. All this is leather. The Nike check is leather. All this is nice suede. The sneaker feels great. Smells awesome. Let's check out. Let's take the let's check this out. So here we go. We got that beige creamy sole with that brown Nike and swoosh. You already know, size 13 on deck. I'ma sit on these right here. These are staying right here. Let that money grow. Let that money grow. If you willing to spend a hot buck, holla. Now you already know, but these things are super clean, man. What do you guys think about these, man? I think they are fire, super clean. I think these are a problem. They was a problem. Out of everyone in that video that I showed you today, about like 10 of us literally got pairs. They had to raffle the rest of them. They had to cancel it, shut the store down, and they had to raffle the rest of them. Shout out to Up NYC for letting me and my kids, fans run up in there, get my pairs, handing out like a bank heist. The back look fire. Check out the back, y'all. That's sexy, just real sexy, man. Creamy, man. That brown. See if we can focus. But yeah, man, these things are fire. Real clean. Tell me you wouldn't rock these, man. You frontin'. As soon as I take my kids to the zoo, I'm throwing these on. To the safari, we out, y'all. These things are fire. They dope as hell. Like I said, I was able to get. Hey! Sorry, my dog eating my charger. She bugging out. These things are fire, man. Bottom, round. See that? Excuse the lighting, like I said. This ring light is on auto mode right now. But these things are fire, man. I think these are super hard, super limited to get. Shout out to everyone that was able to get these. I had to go camp out all night, hustle to get mine. Knock on wood, I was the first in, the first one out. About 10 of us got a couple of these out here in New York City. Everybody else in New York City was dubbed out. Your boy got them. Size 7 and 9 available, but I got people hitting me left and right. By the time this video's out, I probably done sold them, but you already know. Holla at me on Instagram. Might be able to help you. Stay informed. Stay part of the team. Start staying in the comments. Let me know what you're interested, what you're looking for. You already know, man. Let's support each other. Hold each other down, man. Holla at your boy, man. Remember, like, subscribe, share. You already know. Love is love always. Now, sometimes I want y'all to leave comments. Let me know what y'all think about these bad boys. Would y'all pick them up? Would y'all add them to y'all rotation? I think they super fire, super hard, clean. Oh, man, these things, they dope. Next up, UNC Dunks. Let's see if we can get some of those. If not, it is what it is. We're going to keep it going, keep it moving. You already know what it is. Shout out to my brothers and sisters. Keep grinding, keep hustling. Squad up, man. Peace.